This dance is called Love Somebody Again. It's a 32 count, 4 wall, improve a level line dance with 1 restart. So you're going to start the dance facing the right diagonal corner 130. You're going to rock forward on the right, recover your weight back on that left. Into a coaster step, you're going to be making quarter of a turn in this coaster step. So you're going to step back on that right. As you bring the left beside the right, you make 1/8 of a turn to the left, so you face the front. And then you make a further 1/8 of a turn to the left as you step forward on the right. So it's your turning coaster step. You're then going to rock forward on the left, recover your weight back on the right, and add on another coaster step, this time squaring yourself back up to the front wall. So you're going to step back on that left as you make 1/8 of a turn to the right, right beside left, left forward. That set of steps once more then, rocking forward on the right. 7, 8, forward, rock, coaster, step, forward, rock, coaster, step. Rock forward on the right, recover your weight back on that left. Chassé to the right, but you're going to put quarter of a turn on it to start with. So quarter turn right, you step that right to the side, left beside right, right to the side. You're then going to cross the left over the right, bend the knees, and then straighten the knees. It's almost like a little bit of a knee pop that you're doing. Then step a big step to the side on the right, drag the left towards the right, and then on the and count you'll go to step that left beside the right. Put the weight on. That set of steps once more then. Forward rock off on the right. 7, 8, forward rock, turn chassé, cross knee bend, side drag and. Let's add that to the top. Forward rock off on the right. 7, 8, forward rock, coaster step, forward rock, coaster step, forward rock, turn chassé, cross knee bend, side drag and. From here you're going into an extended syncopated weave to the left. So you're going to cross the right over the left, step the left to the side, cross the right behind the left, left to the side, cross that right over. You're then going to make quarter of a turn to the left as you step forward on that left, further quarter of a turn to the left as you step the right to the side. You're then going to do another shuffle turn, making a further quarter of a turn, but you're going to do this with 2 1/8. So similar to how you would do your half shuffle turn with your quarter close quarter, you're actually going to do a 1/8 close 1/8. So you step your left 1/8 of a turn to the left into 7:30 effectively. Bring the right beside the left, then make a further 1/8 as you step that left forward towards 6 o'clock. That set of steps once more then, weaving off on that right. 7, 8, cross, side, behind side, cross, turn, 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 shuffle. So hopefully you're back facing 6 o'clock. Now those last turns, quarter turn, and then that quarter turning shuffle, do make 3/4 of a turn. If you are struggling to get that in, there are some alternative steps that you can do. So if you need to take that turn out, start the same as everybody else with your weave. Cross, side, behind, side, cross. Then instead of turning left for these 2 quarters, turn right. So you're going to do a hinge half turn instead of just a half turn going to the left. So quarter turn right, you step back on that left. Quarter turn right, you step the right to the side. And then you effectively go back on yourself with that final quarter shuffle, 1/8 close, 1/8. So non-turning steps should you need to adjust that 3/4 of the turn out from that section. Let's add that to the top. Forward rock off on the right. 7/8. Forward rock, coaster step. Forward rock, coaster step. Forward rock, turn chassé, cross, knee bend, side, drag and cross, side, behind, side, cross, turn, 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 shuffle. You're then going to step your right diagonally out to the right, diagonally forward to the right, step your left diagonally forward to the left. So it's almost like doing half a V-step. You're then going to add on a right-footed coaster step. Back on the right, left beside right, step that right forward. Into a heel grind, making 1/4 of a turn. So you're going to touch that left heel forward, grind yourself 1/4 of a turn to the left, and as you very effectively do that, your right foot will move, so you'll recover back onto that right foot, which you will kind of step back on. You're then going to add on another coaster step, left foot leading, back on the left, right beside left, left foot forward. So that set of steps once more then. Stepping out, out, off on the right. 7/8. Out, out. Coaster step, heel, grind, coaster step. Now the choreographer has given some styling steps to go with some of these movements that we're doing. So what they have suggested is as you step out to the right, with that very first step, you make the shape of a heart over the right side of the body. As you step to the left, you make it over the left side. Then you go into your coaster step. Then as you do your heel grind, you effectively are going to present opening your arms to the horizon, if you like, as you do that heel grind. Heel grind, 1/4, and then add on your coaster step. So you'll actually use 2 arms for doing that presentation, or opening them up to the horizon, and only got 1 free. Okay, so both arms will do it. So they are optional styling steps should you wish to add those in that last section. So let's add that to the top. Forward rock off on the right. 7/8. Forward rock, coaster step. Forward rock, coaster step. Forward rock, turn chassé, cross, knee bend, side, drag and cross, side, behind, side, cross, turn, 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 shuffle, out, out, coaster step, heel, grind, coaster step. So don't forget your arm movements if you wish to add those in. That is your dance. I'll now go through it with the counts. Forward rock off on the right. 7/8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So hopefully that gives you a bit of feel for the timing of the dance. Now it is a 4-wall dance, so let's have a go at the other 3 walls. And I am going to speed it up as we go around because the music's just a bit faster. Forward rock off on the right. 7, 8. Forward rock, coaster step. Forward rock, coaster step. Forward rock, turn chassé. Cross, knee bend, side, drag and cross. Side, behind, side, cross. Turn, 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 shuffle. Out, out. Coaster step. Heel grind, coaster step. Forward rock, coaster step. Forward rock, coaster step. Forward rock, turn chassé. Cross, knee bend, side, drag and cross. Side, behind, side, cross. Turn, 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 shuffle. Out, out. Coaster step. Heel grind, coaster step. Forward rock, coaster step. Forward rock, coaster step. Forward rock, turn chassé. Cross and bend, side, drag and cross. Side, behind, side, cross. Turn, 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 shuffle. Out, out. Coaster step. Heel grind, coaster step. So that is your dance. Now there is one little restart in this dance. It comes on wall 4 after 8 counts. So you do your forward rock coaster step, forward rock coaster step, and then restart. Wall 4 is your 9 o'clock wall. Let's take you up to 8 counts, restart the dance so you can see how it fits in. Forward rock off on the right. 7, 8. Forward rock, coaster step. Forward rock, coaster step, restart. Forward rock, coaster step. Forward rock, coaster step. Forward rock, turn chassé. Cross and bend, side, drag and cross. Side, behind, side, cross. Turn, 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 shuffle. Out, out. Coaster step. Heel grind, coaster step. So hopefully you can see how that fits in. 8 counts into wall 4, restart. So that is it. That is your dance, your walkthrough and your restart information. Let's give it a go to the music.
Crashing on my best friend's couch, running high but I was coming down. I was watching all my luck run out each night, always waiting for the perfect place in time.
5, 6, 7, 8. Forward rock, coaster crush. Forward rock, coaster step. Forward rock, turn chassé. Cross and bend, side, drag and cross. Side, behind, side, cross. Turn, 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 shuffle. Out, out. Coaster step. Heel grind, coaster step. Forward rock, coaster step. Forward rock, coaster step. Forward rock, turn chassé. Cross and bend, side, drag and cross. Side, behind, side, cross. Turn, 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 shuffle. Out, out. Coaster step. Heel grind, coaster step. Forward rock, coaster step. Forward rock, coaster step. Forward rock, turn chassé. Cross and bend, side, drag and cross. Side, behind, side, cross. Turn, 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 shuffle. Out, out. Coaster step. Heel grind, coaster step. Forward rock, should we restart walk? Forward rock, coaster, restart. Forward rock, coaster step. Forward rock, coaster step. Forward rock, turn chassé. Cross and bend, side, drag and cross. Side, behind, side, cross. Turn, 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 shuffle. Out, out. Coaster step. Heel rock, coaster step. Forward rock. Forward rock. Weave. Out, out. Forward rock. Hold on. Rock. Breathe. And right. Hold on. Rock. Breathe.
Nothing seemed to last. That's when you turned and smiled. I never felt like that. Yeah, you came walking in, and now I know that I can love somebody again.
Hope you managed that one.